Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to our channel, I'm Ryan.
I'm Charlotte.
And we're Diary Around the World. At the moment we're in beautiful Bonaire, the island where I grew up.
We're now standing between the white slave huts. They were built in the year 1850 and they were used as housings for the slaves to sleep in them during the week.
These slaves used to work in the salt ponds, but during the weekends they still had to go to Rincon, which was 7 to 8 hours. Later in the video I'm gonna tell more about Rincon. And on the island, the salt is still one of the main exports what the island does. 5 minutes from these white slave huts, you also have the red slave huts. For us, they looked a bit more yellow.
As you can see, it's pretty small in size, and they had to sleep up to 10 people inside this tiny house.
As you can see behind me, there's a lighthouse. This is one of the first lighthouses built on the island. It's located on the south side and it's called Willemstoren. While you're exploring the south side, don't forget to go snorkeling. One of the beaches we recommend there is at the Salt Pier. There we discovered a lot of turtles. Back in the 17th century, this pillar used to represent lighthouses. Because here on the south side of the island, it's pretty flat. The captains couldn't see it at night time with this flat ocean. These pillars used to help them navigate through the night. A bit further, you reach Sorobon. Sorobon is known as one of the best windsurf places in the world. We're now walking to a barrier reef. The whole beach here at Sorobon is basically until your belly, so you can walk like the whole beach behind us until the shore, and you can go way over to the reef over there. Still a long way, but as you can see we're pretty far and we're still water familiar. While you're at Sorobon, don't forget to relax. Go grab a cocktail at one of the bars or go do some of the activities they have to offer there. Oh, we just rented our kayaks at Frans Paradise here in Sorobon. Charlotte's getting ready now for the paddle. We're gonna go towards the mangroves. Charlotte is here, she's ready to go paddling. We have everything in the boat. Water and our
Now we're taking you to Kralendijk, the capital of Bonaire. Here you have a lot of colorful buildings and you can go out for shopping and dining.
Next to Bonaire, you have Klein. It's a small uninhabited island, which you can reach by boat. You can either rent your own boat or you can take the water taxi, which is around $20 for a round trip.
the mainland we also have some great diving and snorkeling spots. One of them we recommend going is at Andrea.
We're going in for the morning plunge. We're now on one of the side alleys of the Toeristenweg. On the Toeristenweg there are a lot of side alleys. Some of them go to the water, some of them go into the Mondi. And they're little alleys that are comfortable to walk on.
Compared to the south side, the north side here has a different kind of terrain. Here you have a lot of limestone and a lot of coral beaches. Here we'll show you one of our favorite beaches and a must see on the island.
We just made it to 1,000 steps.
It aren't 1,000 steps though, but it's a great beach. You can find a lot of underwater nature. There's a lot of coral, a lot of fishes.
Also a great place to check sunsets. If you continue driving, you'll reach Carpata, and on the way you'll have some amazing sights like the Devil's Mouth, the Natural Bridge, and also the Iguana Head.
We're now at the Lighthouse Carpata.
This used to be an old plantation where they used to plant aloe and other fruits too. Now it's an abandoned little place, but in front of it is still a beautiful dive location, so we're here, go check it out.
On your way to Gotomeer, you also have Playa France. It's an amazing place to go snorkeling, and you also have amazing viewpoint. We do suggest to go with hiking shoes because the trail is pretty rough. But the view is definitely worth it. From this viewpoint, you're also able to see the highest peak of Bonaire, Brandaris. It's located in Washington Park. While we're talking about Washington Park, let's take you there. This national park covers around 1/6 of the island and is located in the northwest part. It is a safe habitat for terrestrial endemics and endangered species of Bonaire. The beaches inside the park are an important nesting ground for all 4 species of sea turtles found in the Caribbean. There is also a museum at the entrance with a lot of historical and cultural heritage. If you come to the park, you do need a 4x4 car, but don't worry, there are a lot of hiking trails. Now we're taking you back outside of the park to Gotomeer, or Goto Lake in English. This lake has a beautiful scenery and a viewpoint. You will definitely spot some wildlife. If you drive a bit further, you'll reach the oldest settlement in Bonaire, Rincon.
So we're now at the moment at Cerro Largo. It's translation long mountains.
And we're walking now on the hiking trail to see what we can find. Charlotte is already enjoying one of the views. We just made it at Spelunk. Spelunk is on the north side of the island, and you have Spelunk Lighthouse right over there. And also over there you have an old land house. Charlotte is already walking right over there. We're now at the Bonaire caves, which is located here in Spelunk.
Be aware of some bats because there are a lot.
Yeah, but don't be afraid, they're not blood sucking. While we're already exploring some caves, let's show you some of our favorite caves on the island.
Cave we couldn't find a couple days ago.
And now we're discovering here. There's a ladder down, so it's pretty easy to come down. And there are big cabins to explore. So here in Bonaire you have animal rescue and you can adopt a dog, but you can also go with a dog for a walk. So we decided to bring this little too. We have here Becky. Becky got hit by a car, so she has to swim, it helps her. And you have there Mozart. Mozart is just a little man who doesn't like the water.